just over 130 privately owned properties across the entire island, Piers offers something increasingly rare: true privacy. There are no busy roads, no commercial developments, no crowds, just a quiet, secure, and tightly held island community where homes rarely change hands. Welcome to Piers Island, a private island community where life slows down and nature takes center stage. On Piers Island, waterfront isn't a luxury, it's the standard. Nearly every property sits directly on the ocean, offering uninterrupted views, immediate beach access, and a front row seat to the ever-changing Salish Sea. There's only one road circling the island and no cars. Residents get around by walking, biking, or electric golf carts. It's a simpler, quieter way of living where traffic is replaced by birdsong and ocean breeze. There's a sense here that's hard to replicate, a feeling of belonging without the density of city living. What makes Piers Island unique is how accessible it is. Just located 5 minutes by boat from Swartz Bay and Sydney, you're never far from groceries, restaurants, healthcare, ferries to Vancouver, and schools. Yet the moment you arrive, the noise disappears. It's the perfect balance between remote living and everyday convenience. So as you can see, this is a very truly special place. Not only is this a place to live, it's a place to enjoy lifestyle.